Here are 6 reasons why India will rule the world. Reason number 1, the economy. Despite China being the economic star of the world's economic power has begun to shift. India is the fastest growing economy in the world, stealing the title from slowing economy of China. With the right management, it is more likely to become the world's most powerful economy very soon. India has shown unbelievable level of growth. It has pulled millions of people out of poverty. Uncertainty and rising cost of doing business in China is making the global business community look for a new base for its industrial operations. India is the ideal economy to do business. Reason number 2, Army. India now has the largest ground force army in the world with active 1.4 million military personnel. The Chinese and American army is smaller than the Indian army, although that doesn't determine the actual defense power. But looking at the military data, it's certainly one of the strongest army on the planet. India has the 4th largest air force in the world with over 1500 fighter aircrafts. India's defense budget is $66 billion, which is much more than the defense budget of Australia, Israel and Italy combined. There are only 9 countries in the whole world having the nuclear weapons. India is one of them. No country messes with the country having the nuclear option. Reason number 3, population. The current population of India and China is almost equal. The UN predicts that the Chinese population will start to decline as of 2020. However, the population of India is predicted to grow for the next 50 years. The population growth is much higher than China, and India has the largest number of young population than any other country in the world. According to UN, in 2030, the Indian population will outrank China by 112 million people. In 2050, the population difference will be 357 million people. That is the entire population of Australia, Germany, Japan, Canada, France and North Korea combined. The Indian workforce consists of over 500 million people. When it comes to building large-scale infrastructure, India can leverage its huge population for the job. The supply of manpower is endless, and India is capable of building huge projects. Reason number 4, science and technology. India is the largest supplier of ICT and entertainment. India has the largest movie industry in the world. Bangalore is now the 2nd largest outlet for ICT companies in the world. It is predicted that Bangalore will become even bigger than the Silicon Valley in California, making it the largest technology hub in the world. Reason number 5, democracy. India is the largest democracy on earth. It has free market system. That might be the reason that the Indian economy's growth rate is now overtaking the Chinese economy. It's predicted that the Indian economy will be similar with the US economy in the coming years. Reason number 6, relationship building. Foreign policy is one area where the Modi government actions has not just strengthened the relations with the countries but also built trust in India. PM Modi has become the most travelled PM of India ever. He sells the idea of India. The country has no bigger salesman than the PM himself. India's ties with other countries is stronger than ever. During the coronavirus pandemic, India came out as the pharmacy of the world, supplying medicines to over 120 countries, acting as a support system to the world. Leveraging its population for economy and military to an unprecedented scale has never been seen before on this planet.